Aphorism 172. A similar difficulty in the way of cure occurs from the symptoms of the disease being too few, a circumstance that deserves our careful attention, for by its removal almost all the difficulties that can lie in the way of this most perfect of all possible modes of treatment, except that its apparatus of known homeopathic medicines still incomplete are removed. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about common diseases, one-sided diseases. In the way of cure, a similar difficulty occurs, that is a disease containing very few symptoms. Such a circumstances requires our careful attention, because by removal of such obstacle almost all the difficulties that comes in the way of cure through this most perfect of all possible modes of treatment. One more obstacle to cure is apparatus. Collection of known homeopathic medicines is still incomplete, but except this incomplete collection of known homeopathic medicines, diseases with very few symptoms are the another obstacle to cure. Aphorism 173. The only diseases that seem to have but few symptoms and on that account to be less amenable to cure are those which may be termed one-sided, because they display only one or two principal symptoms which obscure almost all the others. They belong chiefly to the class of chronic diseases. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about one-sided diseases. The only diseases that have very few symptoms, and because of lack of symptoms, such diseases are less amenable to cure. Such diseases are termed as one-sided diseases. Diseases with few symptoms are termed as one-sided disease because they display only one or two principal symptoms which hide or conceal other symptoms. One-sided diseases are chiefly to the class of chronic diseases.